This is my first time Walmart camping. I think that's Slick Rick. I'm gonna text him and tell him, hey, I saw you at Walmart, Slick Rick. Van life. Van life. I think I'm parking in the back. Sounds like a good idea. First time Walmart camping. See you guys in the morning. Good morning from a Walmart parking lot. This was my first time Walmart camping. But I know you're supposed to be able to sleep here without being bothered, without getting the knock. And I didn't get a knock last night. I see a lot of van life videos about getting the knock, trying to sleep in your van. Just sleep at Walmart. There was a bunch of people here last night. I know you guys are used to seeing me sleep at a rest area or Flying J when I'm on the road. The rest area was completely full and there's no Flying J's around. So I just looked for the nearest Walmart. It's a rich neighborhood. I saw a Lamborghini SUV and now a Bentley. Look who I ran into when I was pulling out an action van. Slick Rick. Small world, right, Slick Rick?
Yeah, I know that. What's his name called?
Yeah, Kyle.
I always forget his name.
It's Kyle. It's
yeah,
stuck,
Kyle.
man. That's
No,
a Slick
nice
Rick.
guy. I like him.
I like that one. We're gonna call you Slick Rick.
Yeah.
But Slick Rick, man, you gotta make it to October. I hope so. But yeah, I was pulling out of action van. I spotted this. I said, that's Slick Rick's van. And then I see Rick's hand come out. So I turned around to say hi. We have 4 lifted vans here. This Flying J lifted van crew.